Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I'm Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, les expressions de politesse en français. On va apprendre comment utiliser d'autres expressions que merci ou je suis désolé. Today, we're going to learn about etiquette in French and how to elevate your French and to go beyond thank you and I'm sorry when you need to apologize, when you need to express thanks, and when you want to acknowledge. Mais aujourd'hui, comment ça va? Eh ben moi, comme d'habitude, ça va bien. Ou comme d'hab. If you need to say as usual, you can say comme d'hab. Comme d'hab is as usual in spoken French. To get to the transcript, you only need to go to my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You'll find the full transcript. It's free. You don't need to sign up. And if you want to go one step further, you'll find the vault where I created episodes that I think are essential to know, especially if you're a French beginner, and it's absolutely free. Alors, vous êtes prêts? Allez, c'est parti. Are you ready to speak French? Let's start with learning how to apologize in French beyond excusez-moi. Excusez-moi is excuse me. Of course, we all know how to say that, but today I'd like to give you more ways to say you're sorry. The first one is pardon. 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 Not pardon, not pardon. Pardon. Pardon is sorry, excuse me, especially when you bump into someone. You usually stack up pardon, excusez-moi. Pardon, excusez-moi. The little pardon is good too if you see someone and you want to walk to that person and you have a question. You can start with a pardon, excusez-moi. I understand that you might say, well, if I walk to a salesperson or if I talk to a waiter, why do I have to say sorry? Well, every country has a different etiquette, and in French, usually you don't go and start to talk to people you don't know before apologizing first. So, whenever you're in a store or a restaurant or anywhere you have to talk to someone you don't know, start with pardon, excusez-moi. You can even be more elegant, more sophisticated with veuillez m'excuser. Veuillez m'excuser. Veuillez m'excuser. Veuillez m'excuser is accept my apologies. You might think it's a little over the top to say pardon, veuillez m'excuser, but again, in French, this is not seen as too much, right? It just seems as extremely polite, very formal, and very elegant. Veuillez m'excuser. Accept my apologies. And of course, if you need to say I'm sorry, je suis désolé. Je suis désolé with a Z sound. Let's repeat. Pardon. Veuillez m'excuser. Je suis désolé. Par exemple, you're in the street and you're looking for a subway entrance or anything, right? Pardon. Veuillez m'excuser. Je cherche le métro, s'il vous plaît. Pardon. Veuillez m'excuser. Je cherche le métro, s'il vous plaît. Sorry, accept my apologies. I'm looking for the subway station. Please. And of course, always add please. Now, let's learn how to express thanks beyond merci beaucoup or even merci. First, remember it's not mercy, it's merci, two short sounds. Merci beaucoup. Almost like Roku for those knowing the Roku. Merci beaucoup. Four short sounds. Merci beaucoup. Right, so instead of merci beaucoup, you can say merci bien. Merci bien. Merci bien. Bien is well, thank you well, I know, it's the way we speak. Merci bien is thanks a lot. Merci bien. Then again, you can go one step further. Je vous remercie. Or if you know the person, je te remercie. Je vous remercie. Je te remercie. I thank you. Now let's get into subtleties. When thanking for a gift or something, you say je vous remercie pour or je te remercie pour, which is I thank you for. Par exemple, someone gave you concert tickets or got the tickets for you. Je vous remercie pour la place de concert. I thank you for the concert tickets. Je vous remercie pour la place de concert. Why remercie pour? Because you're thanking for a gift or something. But when thanking for a favor or service, then use je vous remercie de, je te remercie de. Par exemple, je vous remercie de votre aide. I thank you for your help. Right, just know that if you switch pour and de, people will still understand you. This is just a point that you should know where your French will be perfect. Alors, on répète. Merci bien. Je vous remercie. Je te remercie. If we're thanking for a gift or something, je vous remercie pour, je te remercie pour. Thanking for a favor or service, je vous remercie de, je te remercie de. Ça va? Ah, allez, on continue. Je sais, c'est toujours un petit peu compliqué. I know. It's always a little complicated, but you made it so far, so we have one more thing to learn or to review. It's how to acknowledge politely, right? Beyond, how you're going to say you're welcome, my pleasure, gladly in French, right? So the first thing is je vous en prie. I know it's hard to pronounce, right? We have the je and the ze sound. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Or if you know the person, je t'en prie. It means you're welcome. Now, if you travel to Belgium, just to let you know that when you say thank you, usually they say please, s'il vous plaît. Right? It might be a little different when you travel to Belgium. Je vous en prie, je t'en prie. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir, my pleasure. Avec plaisir, with a Z sound like zebra. Volontiers. Volontiers means gladly. volontiers. And then if you want to sound less formal, or if je vous en prie is a little too hard, you can say de rien. De rien. Thinking about it, it might not be easier to say. De rien, from nothing, is less formal. Par exemple, let's say someone says, je vous remercie de votre aide. Thank you for your help. And you want to say, well, you're welcome. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. So let's repeat. Je vous en prie. Je t'en prie. Avec plaisir. Volontiers. De rien. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Alors, of course, sometimes people are polite and sometimes people are rude. Well, as I say, always stay polite, and politeness and a big smile always help. Usually, people like when they're being addressed in a way that they think is respectful. If you haven't checked yet, go and check out the workshop. It's free for the first 4 lessons, and you can check it out. The workshop is really to help you feel and be confident when you travel to France. You have 30 different lessons. They're all different, and it goes from like how to take the train, how to order at the restaurant, of course, but also emergencies, going to the farmer's market, how to deal at the post office. It's a lot of things you can check out. The first 4 lessons are free. Encore une fois, merci bien d'écouter le podcast. Thank you for being such a great listener. Feel free to share with someone you know. And if nobody has told you today, I know you're terrific. Et si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, moi je sais que vous êtes formidable. Au revoir, merci, à bientôt.